So hey, what's up guys, welcome back to TechARK. In this video we are going to see what is ADB, how we can set up that, install that on our system, and what's the main purpose of that, why we use that, where we use that, and who developed ADB. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the video. So here just go to your, like as usual, your favorite browser, any browser, and just type in platform tools download. So ADB you can download in two ways. One is downloading Android, like Android Studio. In that Android Studio you get that platform tools folder. From that you can use that, or you can just download standalone SDK platform tools. So here just go to this SDK official website, and here you can see downloads. So from here just download this, download SDK platform tools for Windows, since I'm using Windows system. So just check this and download this. From here I will just open this. So here I have this platform tools latest Windows. Just extract it over here. Now we have this platform tools folder. Inside this, go to this platform tools. So before starting this ADB, one more thing I would like to make sure, like you have your Android device. Like in my case I have this Android device, and also make sure that your developer mode or developer option is enabled in your Android device, and USB debugging is also turned on, so that we can connect to our real device. So ADB is mainly used to connect to our real device, and it gives the access to the Unix commands. Like we can provide several commands, we can use lots of commands, and we can perform various actions. Like let's suppose we want to download APK, we want to install an APK in our real device, we want to take a dump of our real device data, we want to access anything like on our real device. Let's suppose any application we have in our real device, we want to debug that application, so we can download that in our system. I will also show you like how we can do that. So now since my phone have USB debugging and developer option turned on, so I will just open this in command prompt. Here just type in ADB devices. Here you can see I have this device connected to my Windows system. So what I will do is, I will, let's suppose for a demo purpose, I'll just download one APK from my real device. But before that, here if you see ADB help, we have like various commands which allows us to do like various actions on our real device. And ADB is really very powerful for like USB debugging. And one more thing, like ADB basically stands for this Android debug bridge, which basically means it allows us to debug our Android device. Like we can also do through like wire, we can connect through USB, we can connect to our system and our real device, or we can also do wireless as well. Wireless is a bit like lengthy process, so for now I will just explain you about this only. So here if you see, we have like devices, we can also restart our device, we can shut down our device, we can push, pull, sync, we can basically file transfer, and we have shell commands as well. And here if you see install, we can also install any application, app installation, and there are like several such commands. So for now what I will do is, I will just type in ADB shell pm list packages. So what it will do is, it will list down all the packages of my real device. Basically we have application installed on our real device, right? So each application have their individual packages which are unique, like packages, and then they also have activities. So right now these are the packages. Like whenever any developer develop any application, they have the package name, right? So here we have this com.android.bluetooth. This is a package of that Bluetooth application. Like here we can see several such applications. So for now let's just hit into let's suppose we want to download one application. Let's suppose Facebook. Yeah, I think Facebook seems to be a bit nice application. So yeah, let's suppose we want to download this Facebook APK on our system, like from our real device. So what I will do is, I will just type in ADB shell pm path, and then I will paste that package name, so basically the application's package name, and I will just press enter. Here you can see this is the path of that APK which is on our real device. So now I will just pull this from that real device to my system. So for that we need to pull, so we will just type in ADB pull, and then this path I will just copy and paste it over here, and the path where I want to get that application. So in my case, let's suppose just before this, in this path I want that, I'll just give this path. Okay, so due to this one there is some issue, so we will just rename this, which we can't do right now, so we will just give it like this. Okay, I think this is also fine. This is in quotes, so it will not consider this as a bad thing. So here if you see Facebook app manager.apk, so we have successfully pulled Facebook application from our real device to our system. So here if we go to 7-zip and go to open archive, here you can see the all the source code of that Facebook application. So this is I think the resource folder where we have this anime and all that stuff. Then we have this assets, and here you can also debug or explore the Facebook code as well, but in most of the cases I think it should be obfuscated, otherwise it will be very easy to understand the code and manipulate that application, right? So in this case it will be obfuscated. This way you can download any application, or you can perform various operations. For that, just go to this Google and type in ADB commands. So here you can see in this GitHub link, here we have various commands we can explore. We can also give key events. Let's suppose we can provide this ADB shell input key event 3 home button. So if I provide this thing, so it will press the home button on my real device. If I press this, it will hit the call button on my real device. So there are n number of commands which we can perform. And also I think we can also capture images from our camera. We can transfer any malicious code as well. Even we can transfer any Python or malicious script that can give us remote access to that device. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.